You can see this is the MacBook Pro 14-inch 2023, the M2 Pro. The RAM is 32 gigabytes, and the storage is you can see 1 terabyte. Okay, this is the battery capacity 98, and the cycle count 66, and the GPU you can 16 cores, and the CPU 10 cores. This is the US version. You can see the silver color, the beautiful silver color. And let me show you. No scratches. Here. Here you can see the little scratch here and the little scratch here. And the other area, no scratches. You can see no scratches. And the charging ports, no problem. And here the SD card slot, no problem. The dent, no problem. The corner, no problem. This corner also no problem. And let me show you the display. You can see the display, no problem. The display, no problem. Okay. And let me show you the keyboard. You can see the keyboard backlight, no problem. This is a beautiful machine. Overall in good condition. Okay, M2 Pro 32 and 1 terabyte only here. Minor scratch. Okay, overall good condition.